Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at HimTech show and I am standing in front of LMW stall and I am here with Mr. Gauri Shankar who is going to tell us about incredible growth story of LMW. Thank you sir. Thank you for inviting us here.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's nice talking to you now. Okay, you asked me about LMW. See, LMW is a company which we started in 1962. Okay, basically started with textile machinery, and this has grown into becoming one of the largest textile machinery manufacturer in the world.
Okay.
So we are at probably number two, number three in the world now in
World.
textile spinning machinery. Okay, so we have a global market, and that's how the engineering came into the city of Coimbatore.
Okay.
Right, so that's where it started. And slowly today, Coimbatore is one of the biggest engineering hubs in the country. So that's how LMW contributed to this city becoming, and later on, we were importing machines. The textile business was growing in India. It became a very big part of the GDP. So there was a huge demand, and to cater to this demand was very difficult. The waiting machine, the time of these machines are over a year. So we needed to meet the demands of the market. So we were importing a lot of machinery for machining. So our founder chairman, he thought that why don't we make the machines ourselves? So we tied up with Moriseki of Japan, and 88 this plant of machine tool division started. So it was a vision that first why don't we make our own machines for ourselves, and he also had this vision of saying like why don't we give the best of the world to our country, right? At a time when the customs duty was over 100%.
Oh.
So he said why don't you do this in India, make world class machines in India. So we set up a plant which was as good as what was there in Japan. It was a replicate of what was being there, and that's how this plant started. So we replaced a lot of imported machines in the market. It was growing, and more than our captive consumption, we were catering to some of the biggest names. So
Okay.
it was a point of time in the 90s when the engineering started changing after the economic reforms and all these things. There was a surge. So the machine tool also had a huge demand. So today we have our machines in almost all the OEMs, automobile OEMs in India. We cater to almost every type of component, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, everybody. So that's where our major market comes from, 50% of the market. And general engineering, like, die and mold machining, pumps and valves, the electrical industry, right, like oil and gas, and into aerospace. And machine tools, today we have about 55 models with over 88 variants that we offer.
55 models.
Yeah, and about
Incredible.
88 variants. Uh, we command a good respect in the market as a quality manufacturer, known for its quality in all the divisions that we do. Uh, we have our own market. We are looking at expanding over here. And here we are in Hyderabad. We have been here for a very long time. And recently we have opened an office here.
Okay.
You can see this the
Yes.
back. Okay, so we thought, this is a growing market, growing in terms of technology because the aerospace is doing very well here.
Yeah.
So that is one reason that we have.
So great. So what kind of technologies you are displaying here at HimTech show?
Okay,
For you?
we have exclusively two models here. One is the machining center, and this machining center is, it's a 1 meter x-axis, 600 on the Y and 600 on the Z. So this is a machine that can be configured for any component. Okay, this is something that will suit the die and mold industry.
Okay.
Now this is again apt for the aerospace.
Okay.
And this machine is a versatile machine where you can have a combination of spindles,
Okay.
powers, like
Okay.
light from 7.5 kilowatt up to 22 kilowatt
Okay.
on the same machine.
Okay.
So it can cater to anything from aluminium up to Inconel or titanium also.
Okay.
Okay, so you can choose that configuration. So that's what we are trying to tell them.
Great.
And the CNC lathe that we have displayed here is a large turning diameter. It's a 400 diameter what we have shown here with a 1 meter turning length. So this typically aimed at the defense sector.
Okay.
And also the oil and gas and aerospace.
Okay.
So that's another demand here for large size components. It comes with a power up series motor, so which means that it's got a electronic kind of a gearbox.
Right. Thank you, sir. I think a lot of now customers are coming at your stall. So much rush. So Thank you
Thank you
for
so much.
inviting us here, and it was pleasure meeting you. All the best for the show.
Thank you so much.